Today we will be talking about modifying static variables. Now that we've created a couple of static variables, let's edit them. The good news is that editing static variables is similar to editing any other variable, whether you're writing code in a constructor, a non-static method, or a static method, you can access these static variables. So before we jump into the checkpoints, let's think about times when you might want to edit static variables. Oftentimes you'll see static variables used to keep track of information about all the objects of a class. For example, our variable num ATMs is keeping track of the total number of ATMs. Therefore, every time an ATM is created using the constructor, we can also increase the variable by 1. If we could somehow destroy an ATM, then the same method that destroys it could decrease num_ATM, the static variable num_ATMs, and decrease it by 1, right? And similarly, we have a variable named total money. This variable is keeping track of all the money across all of the ATMs. Now, whenever we remove money from an ATM using the non-static method, withdraw money, we should modify the money instance variable for that particular ATM as well as the total money variable. In doing so, all ATMs will know how much money is in the system. So let's go ahead and knock these out. So edit the constructor to increase num_ATMs by 1 every time an ATM is created. In the main method, we're printing out num_ATMs before and after creating some ATMs. You should expect to see the number go up as you create ATMs. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so inside of this, let's do num_ATMs plus plus. Okay, because every time we create one, this increases. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is before and that's after. Okay, makes sense. Okay. Next, let's edit the constructor so that when a new ATM is created, the amount of money that ATM starts with gets added to the static variable total money. Okay, so input money. Okay, input money right here. Where is it? Okay, so every time input money gets here, then what we can do is we can do this. We can do total money plus equals input money, because then we'll be basically adding it every time. Okay. Next. Let print it out. Yeah, let me do this. I want to see how this works. Huh. Isn't that weird? Oh, never mind. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Okay. So edit the withdraw money method so that when money is taken out of a specific ATM, the static variable total money also reflects that change. Okay, so we'll do so that when money is taken out of a specific ATM, the static variable total money also reflects that change. Take a look at the main method. We're printing out total money before and after withdrawing money from a couple of ATMs. Okay. So I'll do total money minus equals amount to withdraw. Wincha. There we go. Yep, makes sense. And that was modifying static variables. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, have a great day.